Hello, my name's Lorna Hughes. I'm a senior lecturer at Canterbury Christ Church University, which is sometimes known as CCCU. I'd like to invite you to take part in my research project, which is about education, health and care plans, and in particular about the parent and the SENCO's role in the creation of the plan. To take part in the research, you would need to be a SENCO who has been through and completed the statutory assessment process in order to obtain an education, health and care plan for a child or for children in your setting. And that would be between the dates of September 2014 and August 2019.
I hope that you would like to take part in my research, but you do not have to. And if you decide at any time that you don't want to take part in the research, you don't have to tell me why you would like to stop. The first questions on the questionnaire will help me to find your questionnaire if at a later date you decide that you don't want to continue to be involved in the research. I'm interested in finding out more about the experiences of parents and their relationship with professionals when they make an application for an education, health and care plan. And the research results, so what I'm hoping to find out from this piece of research, will be shared with the local authorities and also the parental advisory groups and forums that have been involved in the research. But it also might be shared more widely with other groups and interested parties. I'm hoping that this will lead to a better understanding of the process and possibly improved practices and recommendations for policymakers on improving the process for the future. In stage one of my research, you'll be asked to complete a short questionnaire which just asks questions regarding your experiences of applying for an education, health and care plan. It will be completely anonymous and your involvement can just stop there. However, if you consent to stage 2 of the research, then a small number of you will be invited to take part in an interview just to discuss in more detail your experiences of applying for an education, health and care plan. And that will just be audio recorded, so just the sound will be recorded. The interview will be followed up by a feedback and agreement session, so that will give you an opportunity to check that everything is correct and you're happy with the information. And if you don't agree with something, then you can tell me why, and then we can discuss how to make changes to that. After all the information from the questionnaires and interviews has been reviewed, I will write a summary that can be shared. Please contact me if you'd like a copy of that. I will share my contact details at the end of the video and also in the questionnaire. I might also tell other people about the research by writing about it in articles, websites, or maybe in books, and talking to other teachers and researchers in other schools and universities. But this will mean that other people can have an understanding of the parent and SENCO's role in the creation of education, health and care plans. In all the writing and talks, the research will be anonymous, so that means that it won't include any personal details like your name or anything about your life that could mean that someone else would be able to tell that it was you that took part in the study. Please also note that any information that's of a very sensitive nature or personal nature will not be used in the study. Everything that's written down or recorded in research is called data, and all the data and personal information collected during this research will be stored in a locked cupboard or on a secure protected computer file in Canterbury Christ Church University computer systems, and that's according to the legal requirements in the General Data Protection Regulations 2018. After the research is complete, then all the data will be made anonymous, so all names or personal information will be taken out, and then data will be kept at Canterbury Christ Church University for 5 years after the research finishes, and then it will be destroyed. If you have any questions about the research, then you can ask me. You can contact me by email. My email is lorna.hughes@canterbury.ac.uk, or my telephone number is 01227 921866. I will make sure the information is also included on the first page of the questionnaire. Thank you.